everybody, it's Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, and I am here today to show you how to make this shirt. I'm here for the booze. It is an easy DIY costume that you can make for Halloween, and I am going to show you exactly how to make this, from creating this design in your Silhouette software to cutting it and putting it on a shirt. This is a shirt from A New Day that I picked up at Target. They're really nice and drapey and they're super comfortable. Highly recommend Target t-shirts. So let me show you how to make this shirt. It's gonna be a really easy costume for Halloween. You don't have to dress up, but you're still kind of in a festive spirit. Take a look, guys. To make this Halloween shirt, the first thing you want to do is open up a blank canvas in your Silhouette software. I like to size my canvas to the size that I want on my shirt. In this case, I want an 8x8 square. Then we're just going to start typing the words. And I can move these around later, but right now I'm just getting the words typed up and out there. Now you can use any font for these. The reason that I'm showing you how to do this instead of sharing a cut file with you is I want to show you how to find fonts for your stencils and for your vinyl. So for this one here, I'm just going to use an Arial font. For the word booze, I am going to use a font I really like called Eminence Script. Now this is a font that is for personal use only, so I am not able to create something and share it with you. That would be a violation of the terms. If you go over here to DA Font, this is one of my favorite sites, you can look at all different kinds of fonts here, and you can download them. This Belinda font here is beautiful. It is free for personal use. So you can download that and make all kinds of things using that font. Just be sure not to try to sell or give away that font, because that would be commercial use. So back in the Silhouette software here, I'm just going to start resizing things. Now this Arial font I really like. I am going to go over here to line spacing, shorten it up a little bit, bring out my characters, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. You can use this green dot to turn it around. Okay, so once I've got everything sized where I want it, now I want to make sure that this is going to cut appropriately. So in the word booze here, the letters overlap a little bit. So I'm going to select that, right click, and choose weld. With this, and then I'm also going to go back and choose group so that if I want to move it, it stays together as one piece. But what this does is connects all my letters in a nice smooth line. I don't need to do that for the Arial font because it is not a script font. So now to cut this, I am going to cut the I'm here for the out of white heat transfer vinyl, and the booze I'm going to cut out of glitter black heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to take this and move it out of the way so that I only have this left on my cutting mat. And I'm going to go up here to send, and I am going to choose glitter heat transfer vinyl, and the presets come up here. Now I'm using a dull blade, and so I'm going to choose 2 passes. Typically, if you have a good blade, it's a new blade, you can just use the presets. Then I'm going to go down here and hit send. Now, when you are doing heat transfer vinyl, you always want to make sure to mirror your image. When Silhouette software first came out, you just had to remember that. Now, with the newest version, it reminds you to send as mirrored. So I'm going to click send as mirrored, and then that's going to come right out of my Silhouette, and I'm ready to put it on my shirt.